How to turn off Ask Permission to download app on Play Store. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To turn off the Ask Permission option in your Play Store, launch a Play Store application in your device. So this option pops up because you have toggled on a certain setting in your Play Store. You can easily go ahead and alter it. Now in your Play Store at the top right corner, navigate to your user icon. From here, you need to check out the option of Settings. Right over here, you should see the option of Network Preferences. Click on it. There you should see the option of App Download Preference. And as you can see, it is set on Ask Me Every Time. If you have toggled on this Ask Me Every Time button, then each time you are heading over to download an app, it will ask you for your permission. Now simply to turn it off, just tap on over Wi-Fi only or over any network and tap on OK. So this is how you turn off the Ask Permission to download app on Play Store easily. And it is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.